I have a great feeling your offer is going to get accepted. So here at Windermere Lloyd Tower, we're the #1 real estate producing office in Portland, Oregon. Centrally located, this way we can access all parts of Portland metro area and find you a home in any location you like. What we specialize is getting offers accepted and getting listings sold fast and for a higher price than you think. For now, I'm going to show you a nice, beautiful home for sale in Bethany. It's one of my favorite parts of Oregon. Let's go head to my car and we'll check it out. Come on, every real estate agent has a fancy car, right? You need to impress your clients. Something with nice wheels, something you're proud of. And that's why I got a Fit. Less time at the gas station and more time getting your listing sold and your offers accepted. That's what I'm worried about. Let's go. Hey there.
Hey, how you doing?
Good, and you?
I'm doing well. You gonna go get some houses sold today?
Yes, we're gonna sell some houses, that's for sure.
Woo! Good luck to you, and thanks for being here.
Oh, thank you so much. We'll see you later, Don.
You're welcome.
So the reason I want to show you guys Bethany, it's one of my favorite places here in the Portland metro area. It's only about 5 minutes away from the beginning of Hillsboro. And as a lot of people know, Hillsboro is home to Intel, one of the largest fabs where the Intel produces these microchips in the entire world, and soon to be the biggest fab once they complete this new project that they should have done in the next few years. In addition to that, we're only minutes away from Beaverton, where Nike World headquarters are. And the nice part about Bethany, it's one of the newer developments in that part of Portland Metro, you know, the Hillsboro, Beaverton area. It has this feeling that you really don't get in any other places. Most of the homes are newer, and a lot of them are really updated and well kept. It has a lot of young people. The median age is 1 year younger than Oregon's median age of 39. So the median age in Bethany is 38. And so there are a lot of young working professionals there. And it's just a great place to kind of start a family. All right, folks, here we are in a classic traditional Bethany neighborhood with a lot of well-priced homes with square footage well over 2,000. The reason I like this neighborhood is because it's well kept, and you can find a home here for a very reasonable price considering the home prices in the surrounding area. So today I'm going to show you a beautiful 2,100 square foot classic traditional layout Bethany home with a great sized backyard and updated interior. It's going for only $575. Let's take a look. Wow. Now this is a home. So with 2,100 square feet in a traditional classic style floor plan, that's where you usually get 2 living spaces downstairs, a half bathroom, and a good enough kitchen to entertain. Let's kind of take a look around. So there's 2 places in Bethany that I think, you know, everyone has to see, that's for sure. There's the Bethany Village, which is this downtown Bethany part where there's shopping centers. That's where you'll find the Starbucks. And there's a lot of tutor institutions and dance institutions. Bethany has one of the highest school ratings for elementary, middle, and high school. So it's definitely a place, if you're gonna grow up with a family, you have some kids in different grades, it's a place to be because your kids are gonna get a prime education, and it's apparent as far as the local businesses in Bethany as well. Everything's tailored to music lessons, dance lessons, tutoring. It's just, there's a lot of educational pride in the Bethany area. So that's a really cool thing that I love about it. So here we are in the heart of Bethany, Bethany Village. This is a great shopping center where we have Walgreens, Subway, Kroger, great fancy eateries. There's places you can shop for toys for your kids. There's tutor facilities. Let's take a look around and see if there's something you guys like. Also, Bethany is home to one of the PCC campuses, which is Portland Community College. Portland Community Colleges has a few campuses. The one that you'll find closest to all of the tech hubs is going to be the one in Bethany. It's gorgeous campus, very great rates to get your kid enrolled or have anyone else that wants to continue the education enroll. Really good prices, and PCC is the way to go, and you'll find that in Bethany. About 1,000 people per day moving here in this general area from California, buying up homes cash, buying up homes sight unseen, buying homes waiving inspection. So the market's extremely tough to acquire a home in these conditions. And so that's why it's very important that you have a realtor who's extremely fast and responsive and knows how to put together an offer that's going to get accepted. I know the best, safest angles that we can approach any offer you guys ever decide to make and have the highest chance of your offer being accepted. A lot of these homes that are in high demand have over 12, 20 offers on them. So you really have to make your offer to stand out unless you want to continue a home search for weeks on end and weeks on end, which we know is very tiring. All right, now we're back at the Lloyd Tower office. Guys, thank you so much for coming along with me and checking out the Bethany area. I really look forward to doing some more videos over the coming weeks. We're gonna check out some other parts of Portland Metro like Beaverton, Tigard, and Hillsborough. I'm really excited to show you what's out there. And I'm also excited to be the one who will help you purchase a home when the time comes and make sure your offer gets accepted in this really competitive market. For now, I have to head back into the office and write up some more contracts and write some more offers for some clients. But until next time, we'll see you guys.